Hey y'all, so before I start this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Cecile's hair. This video would not be possible without them. They sent me this wonderful wig. Oh my god, it's on me right now. I look a little crazy because, you know, the edges is melting. It's melting right now, okay? It is a 13x4 frontal wig, 14 inches, and in the color red. It came this color, y'all. This red is literally perfect. This is the perfect red. So yeah, so thank you so much for sending me this wig. It's a cute bob. You're gonna see it how I install it when we get into the video. I haven't did a colored wig since like what, my 16th birthday. I love the color. I feel like the color really fits me. And I can't wait to reinstall it and try other styles and hairstyles on it because this is a bomb wig. So today in this video, we're pretty much going to be doing a get ready with me. I've been fiending to do a get ready with me because I love watching them on YouTube. So now it's my turn to, you know, film my little get ready with me. And this get ready with me is going to be for my freshman year of college. Well, my spring semester freshman year of college. I'm a freshman in college. I attend Clark Atlanta University. I'm actually attending it online, which means I'll be doing everything from my home. But it's okay because we're going to make this process really fun and entertaining. You guys are just gonna watch me, you know, get ready, do my hair, do my lashes. Yeah, I did my lashes all by myself. I'm so excited. So you're gonna see me do my lashes, my toe. I did my toes. I didn't do my nails because I don't like, you're gonna see why. I think I explained. You're gonna see me pretty much DIY my whole look by myself at home. Me, I like to do it myself. Why pay somebody when I know I could do it myself? Feel me? I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Oh, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. We are growing to 17K. We're almost there, y'all. Like literally almost there. So join the family. Is there anything else I want to say? No. My shirt, it's so cute. I love my shirt. It's like I got it in the extra large, so now I can sleep in. It's my new sleeping shirt. I currently have a black wig cap on. I'm gonna do my hair, but that's probably gonna be a little bit later on. Actually, what I want to try to do is my lashes. So I went to the beauty supply store like a week ago, probably even 2 weeks ago, and I picked up some lashes, some lash glue. I'm not sure if I picked up the right one. I know I've seen people use this brand of lash glue, but they use the black one. But I'm not really a big fan of the black lash glue though. It's really messy. I also picked up a tweezer. Y'all, I don't even know if this is the right tweezer. The lady, I feel like she just wanted me out her face. I don't think I ever seen this, but we're gonna use it today. I have my mirror right here. That's mad dirty. Oh my god. Things I need to get done is my lashes. I need to do my hair. I need to do my toes. The only thing I probably won't do in this video is my nails, my like acrylics or whatever, because I'm gonna start school. I don't know if it's just me, but I really can't do the whole nail stuff for school. Like that's just not me. I need clear fingers. Like I remember I had my nails done and I had a test. Pop them shits off because I'm not doing it. Like I felt so held back because of my nails. I can't write properly with nails, but I wish I had my nails done. But that's gonna be a dove. I don't think I'm gonna do it. If I do, I'll add it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be talking a lot in the video. I might, you know, talk here and there, but I'm gonna be listening to music. I'm probably gonna watch a show or something. I want a black show. I want to watch a black show, so I might just go on Netflix and watch either The Game, Moesha, or The Parkers, or One-on-One. I'm not really sure. This is gonna be a fun get ready with me pampering kind of video because I've been feeling like a bum. I just need to get myself together for Zoom Academy. Let me get my iPad. Let me set y'all up. Let me clean myself. Hold on. God damn. My eyeball. I feel like I look so ugly. Oh my god. I'm so excited, yo. I did one. So we are temporarily back on my camera. Where I left off, pretty much I have to cut the lace. Can y'all see what's going on? Just kidding. This color is so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna do my toenails. I'm not really sure if I want to do white toes or if I want to do like this brown color, but I think I'm gonna go with the white toes. Gotta clean up. I feel like I can't even speak, but I might cut this in the future. I need to go down to get nail polish. But yeah, that's gonna be easy. I'm just gonna do my toes. My toes has been begging for attention. I haven't been giving it none, so I'm gonna do my toes. I'm gonna paint them white, and I feel like after that I'm pretty much done. But in person I look pretty darn good. I feel like I look really good. I'm gonna go show my mama. See you when I'm doing my toes. Shit, do y'all want to see my toes now? Y'all want to see it? Oh, the dogs. Oh my god, I did a foot mask and it's still peeling, so I think after my toes I'm gonna do a mask and then I'm out. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so it's actually the next day, y'all, because I fell asleep, so I didn't get to do my mask or I didn't get to do my toes, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So it's just Sunday, it's the day before school, so let's get that done. The mask I'm gonna put on is the Origin, because I don't have anything really planned today, so I guess today is just really gonna be me waiting for my school to give out my schedule. Well, they have my schedule, but like put it on Canvas, because I don't have all my classes on Canvas. I only have one class on Canvas. They're playing with me, y'all. Like I need all my classes and like what time and everything and like the assignments, so I can start writing it in my planner. I need them to hurry that up, and school starts tomorrow, so I don't know. Is this hair? I don't know if that's hair or not, but I don't know. I'm a little sad though, because I'm not even sad. I don't know how I'm feeling, but we had the option. Oh, if you don't know, I go to Clark Atlanta University. I'm a freshman, and we had the option to be on campus this semester. And you know, as a responsible college student, I decided to stay home, which was the best option for me. But I feel like it was the best option for me, money wise and just health wise as well. Like, I wanted to be able to, it's crazy because I could have went on campus, but I wanted to be able to, like, you know, like, feel safe while I'm on campus. Like, I want the full HBCU experience, and I felt like I wasn't gonna get that if I went on campus like too fast. I felt like it was just too fast. I wasn't even ready. I had no clothes. Because I wasn't sure if we were gonna even be on campus. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it up there. I don't need it up there. My forehead clear. But yeah, let me just use this. Low key, just a little bit regretting it now. Do I want to put it right there? No. Little bit regretting it now. I'll be stalking their Instagram, like, they be having fun. But that'll be me next semester. Next semester, sophomore year. But yeah, and I hope they include activities for people that's off campus for freshmen, because I want to be involved. I want the experience low-key too. Got the mask on. My ass forgot to get the nail polish from downstairs, so now I gotta go get that. But yeah, this is really good, and you don't even need, like, I've used this I think like 3 times now, and it's still a lot in this bottle. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to use too much. And yeah, so let's go get my nail stuff so I could, like, do these dolls. And I should go get them done, like, really go get them done. I, like, you know, but why am I not getting them done? Oh, my birthday is coming up too, so it's like February, what is it, tomorrow's February 1st. My birthday is March 3rd, so it's like, technically, if you really think about it, technically, if February wasn't so short, my birthday would be like the 31st day, 31st or the 30th, one of those days of February. So pretty much my birthday is late February. Not playing. My birthday is early March, so it's like quick, so I have to, like, be prepared. So I was like, oh, I really want to treat myself for my birthday. Get my nails done, get my toes done, you know, just treat myself for my birthday. I really hope I do something for my birthday. Even if I don't do anything for my birthday, I'm gonna still film it, because regardless, it's still my day, and regardless, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna do white nail polish, but I need to go get the white nail polish, and not white gel nail polish. But I have this. I sold this to my mom, but she don't really use it. I use it. This is just the Beatles LED UV base and top coat. So it comes with pretty much 3 gel coats, and it's the base coat, the top gel coat, which is shiny, and then the matte. And I'm just gonna do the shiny one. I usually always do the shiny one, but yeah, we're gonna do that. I had this color, this brown color, but I think I'm gonna do that when I, like, do my nails or whatever. But, like, that's probably gonna be a while. But this brown is so pretty, but I don't think I want it on my toes. So I'm just gonna go get my white nail polish. Oh, and I also have the little UV thing where I put my toes underneath. Yeah, I'm just gonna go do that and, you know, watch something, and then come back where my toes is, you know, I keep saying, you know, but, you know, decent. Let me pause my show. Okay, so you've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I am ready for school, even though I don't look ready. I promise y'all I'm ready. I'm gonna wash this off later. I'm watching the game. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment if you like. I respond. And what else? I really want to start like vlogging a day in my life when I'm in college, online edition. I think that would be so fun. And I know I didn't do that for my first semester, but I feel like for my second semester I should definitely do it. First semester I was a little rookie, I didn't know what to do, but second semester I feel like I'm gonna do better. I did good in the first semester, but I feel like I'm gonna, like, know what to do. Like, I know how to use, like, the the apps, Zoom, everything. So I feel like I'm more experienced, so vlogging won't be a hassle. So I might do that. I think I'm gonna do that because that'll be super fun. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Y'all already know what to do. Go check out my other videos. Yeah. This was a success. I didn't do too much. Like, I did my hair and stuff like that. I didn't do too much with it, but I'm not going nowhere. But yeah, catch you in my next video. Bye, YouTubing.